Time's almost up. Only 1 week left in the Melloy Chevrolet Black Friday all month long sales event. Is going on and it has been crazy, but there's only a week left. If you are watching this today, you need to get down here and take advantage of some of these specials, including Chevrolet's Cyber Cash. That's an extra $500 on top of the already big rebates. So we have got that happening and you don't want to miss this chance. It's gonna be huge. So check this out. You can get $2,500 cash back plus $500 Cyber Cash on a new 2021 Chevrolet Equinox. That's $3,000 cash back in your pocket. We've got $1,500 cash back on a brand new 2021 Chevy Silverado. And we've got them in stock, ready for you to take home. So if you are looking for a vehicle and you haven't been able to find one, we've got vehicles happening and in stock and big, huge specials that are going on during our Black Friday all month long sales event. So don't forget to get down here. You can check us out. We're easy to find right on Interstate I-25, exit 203. Easy to find, easy to deal with. Check us out online at melloychevrolet.com or just give us a phone call, 505-866-3000. That's 3,000. So if you were looking for a vehicle, get on down here and see us. And if you're looking for vehicle service, we have got some huge Black Friday sales events going on in our service department, including our winterization special, which includes a coolant flush to make sure your heater's ready to go. We're including an oil change, wiper blades, because when the rain comes, you need wiper blades. So we have got that going on, our winterization special. Ask about that in our service department. You can schedule your appointment online, melloychevrolet.com. Just go to our service department. We've got our parts department online as well. You can buy parts online. We're making it easy to deal with this, but you gotta get down here. You cannot wait. Only a few days, maybe only a few hours, depending on when you see this. So click the link in the video right here, right down there, or up there, I guess, depending on where you're watching it. Check out the link. Check out our website. Get on down here and see us. Melloy Chevrolet in Los Lunas. Easy to find right on the interstate. So come down and see us. Don't miss it. I'm telling you, don't miss it. Get on down here and see us. So this is Dennis here at Melloy Chevrolet in Los Lunas. Get on down here, people. Check us out.